Okay guys, I wanted to share these things with you that I picked up today because me and my husband went shopping up in Charlotte. Of course, he likes to go to the Bass Pro Shop and pick him up some things, and I always go in the Burlington. It's right there in the same mall. So I picked me up some things, and then I have one thing from Goodwill because I hit a Goodwill on the way home that I wanted to share with you too. But let me show you all the cute things I got from Burlington. So I've actually been decorating for spring a little bit, and I decided to go with these like blues colors here, kind of blues and green tints this year for my spring stuff. And I've already got most of it out, so you know, of course I was on the lookout for some different things to decorate with while I'm up there, because Burlington is a really good place to do that. So I picked up some things. I'll start with this back here because I just love this. I thought this would go great with my spring decor. Not really going to do an Easter decor because there's not a whole lot of Jesus, God-related Easter decor. It's all about bunnies and stuff, and I don't really decorate for bunnies. But if I had children, I might. But, you know, I don't decorate for bunnies and stuff, so I just said, well, I'm just going to go into spring and then throw a little something about... throw a little plaque or something about God in it. So I just decided to just decorate for spring, and because Easter is really a part of spring anyway. So anyway, I picked up this beautiful throw, and it actually has bicycles on it, and this is kind of the color I was going with. I got like pinks and bluish greens and yellow in the rest of my decor, so I thought, why not pick this up? It's so cute, and one of my pictures on my shelf over there has a bike on it that I had picked up from the thrift store. So I thought this would go great. So I picked that up. It was $9.99. It's called Oversized Joyful Comfort. So I picked that up. That's going to go in my spring decor. And y'all see that. I'll do a little spring decor video one day showing you, you know, how I decorated. I don't decorate a whole lot, but I do like to decorate my shelf and my tier tray. So I'll show y'all that later. I picked up this. This is just a little spoon rest for your stove. It's actually pretty heavy and well made. It says spring has sprung. It was $3.99. This is by Lily and Grace. I picked me up some of these whisk here. These are non-stick, and they're coated where they don't, you know, mess up your pans, because I got new pans a while back, you know, and I don't want to scratch them up. So I needed a whisk, because the only whisk I got is just a wire whisk. So I picked these up. They're silicone, and they won't scratch up my new pans I got. Also, same thing with this. I got a pair of these, but they're small. And I like to use these, you know, to pick up like meat and stuff out of my new frying pans, and I don't want to scratch them up. So I only had one small one, actually smaller than this one. So I picked up some more of those. These are called silicone stainless steel large and small locking tongs, and I paid $6.99 for those, and I just went with that color because that's all they had. I picked up this little sign. I've been wanting to hang something over my coffee bar over there, and I thought this was so cute. It says, all I need today is a little coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. But I thought that was so cute. Perfect size because I don't have a lot of room over there. I only give $3.99 for this. Really cute piece. And I also picked up this cross here. It's made like this where it'll set up. And I think I'm going to put this on my shelf. It says, blessed with God, all things are possible. So I picked that up to go on my shelf. And that's probably a little bit of the Easter decor that's going to be through in my spring decor. I also wanted to change out my oil and vinegar bottles, and I saw these and I just love that color. I'm actually trying to change out some of my decor. I'm just had the same decor for years and I'm kind of tired of it, so I'm trying to go with different colors. I always do burgundy or green, but trying to change it up a little bit. So when I seen these, I was like, oh, these are nice. They're thick, chunky glasses, and I thought these would be pretty, especially right now with my spring decor. And this is kind of the color I'm trying to go with a little bit, because it's I don't know, I'm thinking about doing some Pioneer Woman decor. I'm not sure, but so I'm trying to pick up colors that would go with her stuff. But anyway, I paid $2.99 for this, a big old nice bottle here. And I got an even bigger one. As you can see, one's bigger than the other. I paid $3.99 for that one. So that's going to be my oil and vinegar bottles, and I'm going to leave them sitting over there on my counter. And then I seen this. This was $4.99, and it's just a little pump bottle. And I said, well, this matches the color of those, so I'm going to change out my clear pump bottle over there and put this one over there to put my dish detergent in on the side of my sink. So I picked that up. So that'll be cute. And the last couple things I got were just some clothes. I actually bought this here at the Goodwill on my way home. And it's by Rose Gal. I've never heard of that. But I looked it up online. And it's like a plus size fashion, cheap fashion place. Well, I thought this was a gown. And let's see, can I lay it out? It's got these pretty butterflies on the bottom. Okay, I kind of laid it out where you can see it. But I thought this was a gown. And kind of found out it's an actual dress. I would never wear this out in public. Just because of the spaghetti straps and all. But I thought it was cute. And I'm like, well, that would be a nice gown. It's actually 2 sizes bigger than what I wear. It's like a 5X. But I'm like, for a gown, I don't care. You know, it could be comfy, oversized at the house. So anyway, after I found out it was a dress, I'm like, this would make a cute, like, bathing suit cover-up. And I put it on. It's not too big where it's, like, falling off my shoulders or anything. So I'm thinking about just keeping this and using it for a bathing suit cover-up. Because it's nice and long. It's, like, knee length. And it would be perfect for that. So I picked that up. And she charged me $6.50 for this because it's a dress. Which I didn't catch that till I got home. Because I was thinking it was a gown. I would have been like, now this is a gown and she overcharged me. But now that I found out it's a dress, I understand why she charged $6.50. So anyway, that's the only thing I got from the Goodwill. These 2 shirts here I picked up also at Burlington. They're same shirt, just 2 different patterns. But I love these shirts because they kind of cinch in at the waist and they make you look like you have a waist when you really don't. But I thought they were cute. I only paid $6.99 for this one. It was on clearance, normally $11.99. It's like a blue with like big white polka dots on it. But I thought it was pretty. Let me open it up a little bit for you. Okay, I opened it up where you can see it a little better. But it kind of reminds me of like a baby doll top. The way it's made, it's flowy at the bottom. Cinches in at the waist. You can't tell it, but it's got like little pleat cinches right here. I don't know what you call them. I don't know the technical term of that. But that right there makes it look like it's got a waist. It's actually got pockets. I didn't care for the pockets. But my husband said he liked the pockets. He thought they were cute when I tried the shirt on. These little silver buttons, short sleeve. Just a cute little shirt. But got that one. And this is by Kokomo Woman. I thought that was cute. And then I got this one. It's the exact same shirt, just a different pattern. I love this burgundy and brown. It's like burgundy, brown, and gray. Same shirt. And you can see the pleats a little bit better on this one because it's lighter. Same pockets, everything. And let's see, did I give the same amount for this one? This one wasn't on clearance, so I gave $11.99 for that one. But I thought it was cute. I almost forgot to show you. I got 2 rugs for my front door and back door. And I picked the ones that's got like holes. That way the water can run through the holes and not just set up under the mat and ruin my porch. My porches are treated, but over time when water sets under your mats like that, it can lighten up the wood and mess it up. So I made sure I found some that had holes in them. That way the water will run through. That way we'll have a little something to wipe our feet off on when we come in. Because right now I don't have anything at my front door and back door. And I paid $7.99 a piece for those. So that's everything that I bought today while I was shopping. And my husband, he bought a new fishing rod and some lures. That's all he cares to buy. You know, that man stuff. Fishing stuff. But anyway, that's everything. I just wanted to share with you what I picked up. I decided to go in the Dollar Tree today and see what they had, and I picked up a few things here, so I thought I would share with you everything here that I got. Some of it's food, some of it's, you know, like deodorant and stuff like that for our personal use. And y'all know me, I don't go in there just to buy a bunch of junk I don't need. I buy stuff I do need. So let me share with you what I got. Okay, I'm going to start on this side over here and show you what I got. I picked up a couple of these Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations carpet odor eliminators. I got this one in Island Mist. I kind of smelled them and just, you know, seen which ones I thought I would like. So I thought that was a good deal for $1. You get 16.3 ounces. And you just sprinkle on your carpet and make your carpet smell good before you vacuum it. And then I got this one. This is the Extra Strength Carpet Odor Eliminator. This one has OxyClean Dirt Fighters in it. So I picked that one up. It smells really good too. I picked up 2 of these 2 packs of Dial soaps. 2 of those. I picked up this all natural oleo distilled white vinegar. I needed some vinegar. I picked up this little thing of Dawn here. This is just like 7-ounce bottle of Dawn for $1. I picked up this big bottle of Awesome. This is actually a 32-ounce bottle. It's like the refill bottle of Awesome because I do have a spray bottle down there under my sink. So I went ahead and picked up another one of those. I love using that as cleaner. I got a little bit of food here. I picked up this Campbell's Kitchen Classics and chicken noodle soup. And I actually got like 3 of these. 3 of those. Then I picked up 2 of these Rotel. This one's a little dented, but I didn't care about that. 2 Rotel Originals. Got 2 of those. I'll go ahead and show you. I picked up several boxes of this Colgate baking soda and peroxide. This is like my favorite kind of toothpaste. So I picked up 3 of those. Got 3 of those. And I picked up one of these Sensitive Extreme. Sometimes I need the sensitive toothpaste. So I picked up one of those. I have used that before. It does work pretty good. Alright, I picked up 2 of these hand sanitizers. They have aloe and moisturizers in them. By Assured. I got me 2 of those. I picked up a bottle of this Swan 70% rubbing alcohol. I picked up 2 boxes of this Sweet Mate. It's like Splenda packs, no name Splenda packs. You get 50 in it per box. I got 2 of those. Back here I picked up some Brim's fried pork rinds for me, and I got my husband some of these Homestyle Select Nacho Cheese Tortilla Chips. And then I also got me 3 of these white baskets. I'm going to put these on my shelf in there and put like personal stuff like our toothbrushes, deodorant, stuff like that in it, because mentioned before that I'm trying to start building up a little stash of stuff, and I wanted to have a couple baskets to put stuff like that in. Next thing I picked up was this Special Moments magnetic photo frame. It's just one of those little frames you put a photo in and slap it on your refrigerator. I was wanting to get a couple more of these, but that was the only one they had, so I went ahead and got it. I picked up a little thing of AA batteries because I got a clock in there that needs a battery. I picked up me and my husband some new toothbrushes. I try to always get pink for me and blue for him. That way he'll know which one's which. That way we'll have some extra toothbrushes. I try to change them out, you know, pretty often. So we'll have some more of those. I needed one of these, so I went ahead and picked one of these up. This butane candle lighter, because my other one had quit. So I went ahead and picked me up another one of those. I picked me up some of this Supreme Tradition steak sauce and zesty blend. This is like a 10-ounce bottle. Good size bottle for $1. I picked up some of this minced garlic because I was out of that. This is by Supreme Tradition. And I picked up a Heinz 57 sauce. This is a 5-ounce bottle. And this was actually a 8-ounce bottle. I picked up 2 different packs of these floss picks. I got the close-up, precision in white, and then I got an aim precision in white. I picked up me a couple deodorants. I like this Suave powder, 48-hour protection. So I got me 3 of these. I picked me up more of these. I had one, and then I got some bigger ones the other day. And then I seen these, so I went ahead and grabbed me 2 more of these little cooking concepts tongs. I like using these on my new frying pans. That way I don't scratch them up. I picked me up 2 more boxes of the spaghetti by Columbia. Got 2 of those, and this is actually 20 ounces of spaghetti per box. I picked me up some of this outrageous quick 1-minute oats in the bags. I got 2 of those. And I picked me up 2 rolls of paper towels. 140 sheets. Just to have a couple extra. So that's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hope you enjoyed seeing my video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Have a good one. Happy shopping. God bless. Bye.